Hello, Scratch Kitchen. How are you doing? How are you holding up? My goodness. We took Sarge for his walk this morning because yesterday it was hellish hot, humid, and sticky and miserable. Alright, well, this is going to be a quick video on food fatigue. Everybody gets it. Nobody is immune to it. I wish we were, but we're not. Alright, how to fight it? Well, right here, as you see, I have a variety of cookbooks, and over on that shelf, good morning, I have baking cookbooks over there. I need to move them over here, actually. But I have a variety of international cooking. I have my canning, fermenting, of course. And I have Barefoot Contessa, Rachel Ray, and Bobby Flay, along with a variety of other cookbooks. This is an absolute must. I absolutely love this book. If you can get a vintage Better Homes and Garden book, get it. The recipes are absolutely wonderful. They give you a recipe for a roast chicken. Then they give like 2 or 3 other recipes to do with the leftovers. They don't leave you hanging and waiting to figure out what the hell am I going to do with this 10 pounds of extra chicken. I'm going to be building this up more. We are going to be getting more cookbooks starting next month. And maybe a few more canning books. Definitely more Asian cuisine books. I have Thai, Cambodia, Southeast Asia, Laos, and just a variety. We got European. I'm going to get more Scandinavian books. But yeah, this is a good way to fight food fatigue. And you can get these used at this point, okay? Don't think you gotta buy it brand new. Get them used. Alright, guys. I will see you later.